Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about Laravel with AI. Today I am going to start the Laravel with AI. So first I am going to go to my chatgpt and ask how to act as, first you have to do the prompt, act as a world best Laravel developer. The prompt has been converted as according to the Laravel developers. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. So it has been converted successfully. Now what you are going to do is I'm going to ask the questions. So I'm going to I want to make a small website in Laravel 12. So great. So it will be telling the instruction. First you are telling that to how to install the Laravel. So here they are telling the how to install the Laravel. After that they're telling that to configure the database. After that migrated. So you have created the three different URLs you can see here. Okay, so you have to create the three different URLs. That means that is a function. So they have your resources, the create layout. This is a layout and the contact form. The contact form, everything here it should be there. Telling that here. Okay, so this is a simple way. So you have how to run the Laravel project. It will be telling that you have visit this site too. Everything is there. For this, if you are connect with the authentication, it goes to that breeze, Laravel breeze. Okay, so here would you like to generate a specific model like blog and admin next. Okay, so it will be continue that part as well. So first you have to go through that model one by one. Okay, so first you have to telling that simple smart guide. Okay, so first I'm going to write to this, copy this. Okay, so simply you have to copy this. So it will be, I'm going to go to create a new folder, Laravel web. So I'm going to open a CMD and paste on it. So if I paste this command, what's the latest version on Laravel? It is installed, the current version. Okay, of the Laravel, it is installing the current version. Press enter key on your keyboard. So what is the name of your project? Project is a my website. This is a project. It has been created. So here it is simply convert as a latest version. You have to wait until the installation has been completed. You have to install it. You have to wait until the installation is completed. Now you can see the website has been created successfully. Now let's go to the instruction of AI. So it say that cd my website. You have typed the command cd. You just copy this, paste on it over here. Cd my website. It goes to it's go inside this folder. Okay, it's telling the instructions successfully correctly. Okay, so after that what I'm going to do is we have to open up this project in my VS Code editor, so that here we have an idea. So we have to, okay, so first you have to open up cmd code space dot to open our project. Okay, so you have a, if you know Laravel little bit, you can get the help of AI. Okay, so here it's telling that after I open up successfully, you can see the, sorry, you have to successfully open up here. Now what I'm going to do is, here this is your folder structure. Now it's telling that go to configure your .env file. This is nothing but the database configuration. So we are getting this file. You have to go to my env file. You can have this. You can have. So this one defaultly come as SQLite. We have to change this one as a MySQL. Okay, so here this one we have right. We have to all the things are we have to select all or control plus / it uncomment it. Now I'm going to go to my website. This one I just copied and paste on it over here and configure the database. Now let's file, save all. After that, what I'm telling that you have to run the command php artisan migrate. So here, open up the new terminal. You type on it php artisan migrate. That's it. Press enter on your keyboard. You have to wait until the command running. Okay, if I get this error, this is not error. I forgot to connect my XAMPP. Okay, so my XAMPP server is not running. That's why it's take here. You have to read the error. No connection is good. Okay, so again I'm going to run this command. Now it's telling that your database does not MySQL, so you have to here we have this is your database. So this is your database, my site DB. Okay, so here it will be telling that would you like to create it? Yes, you are telling that yes. Right. Now your database has been created. You can check it whether it's working fine or not. Go to here, open up admin. Now you will be able to check whether it's corrected or created successfully or not. You will be able to check it over here. Okay, you'll be able to check it over here. So after that you have to create pages. So these are the pages you have to create. Okay, so the using the route basic blade. So this is the basic route. So here you can see here simple website. Okay, so this is a route. You have to go to the web.php page. Okay, so the thing is this, you have to, it's not explain everything. Okay, so you having an idea. So these are the routes. So the routes we have, these are the routes. It mentioned the URL. Okay, so you have just copy this URL, copy. You have to go to that folder which is a routes web.php. Here you have to paste on it. Okay, so here I won't need this one. Here we have to write this one here home. So here I'm going to create the pages. So I'm going to pages inside the resources folder view. I'm going to create home.blade.php. Okay, this is a file. First file I'm going to create. What are the files here needed? Home, about, content. So second one is a about.blade.php. Third one is a contact.blade.php. We have created three different fields: home.blade.php, contact, and about. Okay, these are the pages we have created. Okay, so here what I did here is here I'm going to go to the thing is we have to do the thing is here we have to create the layout.blade.php. Here I'm going to create the separate template file. So the same view folder I'm going to create another file, layout.blade.php. Okay, don't worry, I will be explaining. Layout.blade.php, which is a template file. Header and footer are keep as same. Middle of the content would be changed. The content would be changed for every pages. That is the meaning of that. Okay, so this is your template file. You can see the add HTML and start it and close it. Inside the head there is a title and links. This is the CSS part. Okay, so here the CSS we haven't it not including here. Okay, so that we now need this one. So we have links. There is a links. There attach some links. Okay, so I just copy this. Okay, so you have to paste it over here. Layout page. What happened? Okay, here it's a layout file. After that we can put in this one. What are the pages and the pages? This is the home.play.php. Copy it. Go to the home.play.php or paste on it. Okay, so another one of the pages are available. So about page, about also the same similar design. Contact us page. Here this is the contact form. Contact us page. You have this contact form. Okay, so the contact date.php, the form design. The form design also copied. The contact.plain format paste it. Okay, so the home also they are telling that the same thing I just copied. The home home.play.php. Paste on it about us here. Here only the changes. This is the about page. That thing it is telling that. Welcome about page. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is everything is perfect. Now I'm going to go to create the controller. So create the controller. So create the controller mean here this is a controller creation. You just copy it. Controller has been created. Let's back over here. Copy this. Copy this. Okay, copy this. I just copied. Okay. We have to go to that control. So I'm going to create a control you already created. So go to here, contact controller. We have to paste on it here. That's it. That's the thing. Now let's file save. Right? So everything perfect. Now what I'm going to do is we have to do another thing is now we have this one only I am going to handle by the controller. So this controller, so you have to create this one. We have to just copy these two things. We have to paste on it the web.php page. Web.php page. We have to paste it over here. Okay, that's it. Now we are telling that the controller path where your controller is resided. My controller is resided. Use app HTTP controllers contact control. You are telling that where my controller is resided. That's it. You are telling that where control app HTTP controllers contact control. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it. Now you have to run the app. You already run PHP artisan server. Copy this, paste on it over here. Here it's working. It's working successful. It's working successful. Okay, if you click about, it goes to the about page successful. If you click contact, it goes to the context. Okay, it's working successful. Okay, so this one we have did it without applying the styles. Without applying the styles, it is working without applying the style. Okay, this without applying style, it's working. Okay, so the send the request, everything is there. We will be able to send the request. So okay, the name, address, all the things. Okay, so we haven't do this the database connected on. You just put it this one. They are telling that. So here the help of AI, we have did the small site. You can see here. First, what I did here is first here you can see here. First here created the project, configure the database connection. After that, we have to create the URLs. Okay, this is a URLs. Okay, get. If it is slash, it goes to the home page. If it is slash, it goes to the about us page. Okay, this is called as fn means a function. It's called the function about. If it is slash, it goes to the controller show. Controller show action method. It's returned to the contact plane. What you are written here. Okay, so here what I did here is the layout means this is the layout file. Okay, so okay, what are the layout here? This is the your nav bar. Okay, nav bar is nothing but this is a nav bar. Okay, it's a nav bar. it is a common template. This is a template file. This template file is coming every page. See okay, it display every page. If it got the about us page, it keep. If the contact us page, it keep. Every page it is there. The middle of the content would be changed for every pages. Okay, so the middle of the content we are called as heel content. The heel content means this heel content, it is coming, we have to write it, okay, this content. What is section inside the section, what is the content you are written here, these things is would be changed each and every pages. This is the thing we have deleted. Okay, this are we have very simple, we have created the website using AI. Okay, without any styling. Okay, without any styling. I hope you guys understood the things well. Thank you for watching.